Ka Sorkar jalla kala pentikna ka jingkular jongka ha ka ban ai Jingkyrshan ki Samla jongka jalla ki badon ya ka sab ha ka tem Kaput Lyngba ka workshop ka bakerteng ka night vision ka ba ai jinghikai ki surtan rai jongka piano bat ka master class. U Professor Karl Luchmeyer ubadi u head jongka music and pedagogy MTB exams ulalong u kongsan ha ka ni ka workshop. Kani ka workshop la penya da ka Arts and Culture Department lambat ka jingitre langbat ka MTB Skill Forge Mumbai ha Black Box Theatre ka badan ha lariti mo ka siam. Ha kani ka program na sakhi ka jingwan ni shimenta jong uba polling do ubalong umentri ka tanat Arts and Culture ringkat bat uba FR Kharkangor ubadi u Principal Secretary ka Arts and Culture Department.
I will play, as I promised, a short program. I've called it Night Visions because it's different scenes from night music. And of course, the night is a moment or a place of fear, and it's a place of comfort, and it's a place of imagination and horror and all of these things, and sometimes of restfulness. And I'm just going to explore in the Western tradition a few of those nighttime or liminal spaces where the words vanish and the sounds come and the thoughts sometimes evaporate.
To the abode of clouds, where music takes us from the clouds to cloud nine all the time. And we'd like to see that such interactive sessions flourish. We are, as most of you would have learned by now, Shillong is India's music capital, a fame that we would like to thrive and flourish further. And I'm sure that, as I had said to Lina earlier on, most of us learned music by the ear. But now, since the sky is the limit, we would like to explore the possibility of giving the best possible professional guidance to our composers, instructors, our music teachers,